Today, we're going to talk about what is convergent boundary, demonstrate the processes that occur in convergent boundary, and determine the conditions of colliding plates. First, let's talk about what is convergent boundary. It's an area on Earth where two or more lithospheric plates collides. One plate eventually slides beneath the other, a process known as subduction. Short explanation, convergent boundary is when two plates moving toward each other and collide. Denser or heavier plate will go below less dense or lighter plate. The process is called subduction.
The oceanic and continental plates collide. The denser oceanic plates subduct under the lens of continental plate. When oceanic plates collide or subduct under the forming trench. Here's the picture process that occurs.
Now, we'll give you a short explanation about the processes that occur in convergent boundary in features form. The processes that occur in convergent boundary are usually one of the converging plates will move beneath the other, a process known as subduction. Deep trenches are features often formed where the tectonic plates are being subducted, and earthquakes are common. As the sinking plate moves deeper into the mantle, fluids are released from the rock, causing the overlaying mantle to partially melt. The new magma, molten rock, arise and may erupt violently to form volcanoes, often building of arcs islands along the convergent boundary.
Let's talk about the condition of colliding plates along convergent boundary. Convergent boundaries where plates push together, crust is either folded or destroyed. When two plates with continental crust collide, they will crumple and fold the rock between them. A plate with older, denser oceanic crust will sink beneath another plate. The crust melts in a stenosphere and is destroyed.
Now I'll give you a short explanation and condition of colliding plates along convergent boundary. The condition of colliding plates along convergent boundary. When two plates collide, they will crumple and fold the rock between them. The impact of colliding plates can cause the edges of one or both plates to buckle up into a mountain ranges, or one of the plates may bend down into a deep seafold trench. A chain of volcanoes often forms parallel to convergent plate boundaries, and powerful earthquakes are common along these boundaries.
Now let's talk about the three types of convergent boundary. The three types of convergent boundaries are oceanic, convergent boundaries, or oceanic continental convergent boundaries, continental convergent boundaries. Oceanic convergent boundaries, where different oceanic plates run into each other. The older and therefore cooler and denser one dives beneath the other. In other words, it subducts. Such a convergent boundaries includes a seafloor trench marking the earthquake-rattled subduction zone, as well as an island arc, a line of volcanoes created by a rock melt in the mantle associated with subduction. Other features of an oceanic convergent boundaries are four-arc basin between the trench and the island arc, and the back arc basin on the opposite side of the arc.
What is the example of oceanic over oceanic convergent boundary? An example of an oceanic over oceanic convergent boundary is that between the Pacific and Mariana Plates, which includes the Mariana Islands arc and a subduction zone encompassing the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the world ocean.
So, we hope that you understand about convergent boundary. Thank you.